in this PowerPoint we are going to see about pollination. What do you mean by pollination? Transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma. Anther is the male part of the flower. Stigma is the female part of the flower. So here the definition was given for pollination. Then many plants are pollinated by a particular animal species and wind, water, etc. So here the animal species which are pollinating the flowers, they are modified accordingly, and thus there is an exists a co-evolution between plants and animals. According to the plants, the animals also evaluated. So that is called co-evaluation. Both plant and animals exist together in a evolution process. So that is called co-evolution. So here a differences between the pollination of gymnosperm and angiosperm. So pollination in gymnosperm is direct because the flowers are naked flowers present in the gymnosperm. So directly the pollens are fall on the naked flowers. So here in angiosperm it is indirect because the pollens has to be transferred from one place to another place, and it is reaches in a right stigma. Then through the pollen tube only it has to be enter into that. So this is indirect. So there are two types of pollination. Chesmogamous. Here the flowers open and exposes its mature anther and stigma. So the flowers are open completely and show their male and female part, that is anther and stigma, for the pollination purpose. So such a flower is called chesmogamous. Next type is clastiogamous. Here the pollination occur without opening and exposing their sex organ, that is anther and stigma. So without opening of the flowers, the pollination is occur. Such flowers are called as clastogamous. So here one example is given, one picture, camelina. Camelina flower has both the type of pollination. So the clastogamous flowers found in the soil. So you can see the flowers are not open. The anther and stigma was not exposed. So the chesmogamous flowers also they are producing. The flowers are open and shows their male and female part of the flower.